Shalom, I'm Messianic Rabbi, Porat, speaking to you right here from Yerushalayim, from Jerusalem, Israel, in the Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot. We know as believers in Yeshua that the Feast of Tabernacles is pointing to Revelation 21:3. Behold, the tabernacle of God is now with man. We send the blessings to the nations and to Israel, that they would come to know that Yeshua, Jesus, is the Messiah. Yeshua is God. In Leviticus chapter 23, verse 40, we are commanded to rejoice 7 days. Tabernacles is the last and seventh feast, and therefore the rejoicing for 7 days is a foreshadow of us rejoicing in the kingdom with Yeshua forever and evermore. May you and your family have a blessed Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, from Israel, as we continue to preach the gospel here at Shekol Israel Ivasha, until all Israel shall be saved. Romans 11:26. I'm Messianic Rabbi, Porat, sending you blessings from Jerusalem and happy Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot. Shalom.